YouTube channel. Hey, sorry. I just said stupid YouTube channel, and it was kind of cut off by me beginning to record this video. Here's the thing, YouTube. The YouTube channel, it's not stupid. Okay? It's very cool. But the context of my sentence is different, and you will never hear it. Fuck off. Better get back to the grind at the grand. Giving a big F word to plates. Have I heard any music ever in my life? Okay, what are we doing? I mean, we could go do a quest. Or we could go play arcade games. You know, I kind of want to go do main quest stuff. Let's go main quest it up. Yeah. Oh, no. This guy's got my money. He's got 16 million yens on him. I'm getting out of here. He's going to beat me up. Have you heard We Own the Sky by M83? I will never answer any music. I do not listen to music ever. I never listen to one song. And I'm happy with myself despite that. Good morning, sir. And again, thank you for managing to strike a deal with the Odyssey. Just doing my job. Now it's time for you guys to keep this place on the upswing. Still, that was quite the surprise to wake up to. Why did you tell me that 2 other girls were coming? 2 what now? Sure, neither's at Nozomi's level, but they're both veterans and fantastic draws. Wait a minute. He must have done this on apart. That might be true, but they're going to call you Yamagata. Perhaps we got to... Dude, do you think they're spies? Spy escorts? Sure. Have you heard Strange Overtones by David I don't know. I don't know any songs. I only know one song, and it's that song by Cake I was referencing. The owner called? Ugh. I'll handle it. Oh, I know that song about getting out of jail, yeah. Nothing big. I just feel like grabbing drinks, you and me, Samsara. The hell kind of stunt is this? Sorry, but I'd rather down a hot mug of my own piss. Sorry, but I'd rather down a hot mug of my own fucking piss than get beers with you, man. Don't, though. That's not... That piss does not taste good. Do not do it. Come on. The place won't burn down if you leave the minions to have it. I'll meet you at Ashitaba Park. Hey! Dude. Okay, does this have anything to do with he's put new escorts at our playpen, and now they're trying to get us out for beers? Something's going to happen. Thanks. Oh, yeah, I know the song Snake Eater, too. Under the days got down, water flowing underground. S. It's time for me to click on my S computer. Okay, what's going on in my office? Man, I wish they had better decor here other than a bunch of boxes. All we got is boxes. We have an ashtray by the cuck chair. Ugh. Cuck chair ashtray. Okay, get me out of here. May the days go down, water flowing underground. Mr. Rat Cousin is the one who likes this song. I don't listen to music. All I do is play with my own feet. Hope you're having a good time tonight, sir. Can I get you a hot jug of my own piss? Can I get you a hot mug of my own piss? Come on. It's on the house. And in your hand. I gotta hand it to you. That's what I'll say. I gotta hand it to you. And I pour piss on their hand. I'm so good. I'm too good. I'm too good with just kind of these riz-razzes and bing-bongs. I'm too good with riz-razzes, bing-bongs, and the power of friendship. Okay, it feels like I'm at Sotenbury Street. Okay. That feels like where I am. You were singing Snake Eater in the shower earlier? Were you feeding your penis to somebody? Like a snack? Like a sandwich snack? Oh, we gotta beat guys up. Just hit him with the bat. Just hit him with the bat. It's back. It's back to basics. Whoa, cartwheel me. Oh, grand slam me. You were singing Space Heater instead of Snake Eater. Now that makes sense. Now that, to me, actually, that makes sense. Can't wait to go get beers with my boss. Do you have this dude's third fighting style? I don't know. No. But that's because we were just doing bullshit, you know? We're just having fun. We got 200,000. Can we buy anything? Not that I care. I don't need anything to win. Anything Rat Cousin does in this game actually happens in Japan, and that's what they do in Parliament. This is what they do in the prefecture. Uh-oh. Dude, we got pink tracksuit men. Yeah, just try your worst, bikers. 1, 2, 3, and boo, 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 boo. Get them out of my house. I'm pummeling, dude. You just got pummeled, man. We've already done karaoke all the way. Wish we could just do it every day for the rest of our life. They call me Big Karaoke Rat Cousin. Oh, this is where he wants to eat. At this taco stall. Okay, I'll take it.
Oh.
Hey, Bubby. You want to tell me what Nani-Oni? I forgot about Colin Hanks. I forgot that Colin Hanks was in this game. Hey, take a seat. I got this small mug of my own piss. I got a small mug of my own piss. Hey, jeez, Boz. We can't do that, Boz. I'm Colin Hanks, Boz. Boz, it's me, Colin Hanks, Boz. That's it's my best impression. Times are strange. And you're afraid to play the field. That's the way you find somebody who doesn't do the work for free. Can Rat Cousin lift his shirt right now? I will do this. Use your imagination. Titties out. What the hell is money, y'all? Anyway, I'm Colin Hanks. Buys? Hey, would you like sake? Sure, I'll take sake. In my Soten beer. Is that a half pint? Warm sake. In the half pint from today's crossword. I don't know if you guys remember mini pints. In today's crossword, mini pints was an answer. I don't know if anybody remembers, but that happened. You should add a thing where you put your hood up. That's a whole thing. That would be, in my current wiggamawole, that would be difficult. If anything, Blaholtzen, you should draw. You should draw a cutaway scene of me with my hood up. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Hey, come on, man. You better touch your sake. Has it already been 2 years since you and I met? All that time, and you're still sulking. Can't get over that breakup you had. You look at old pictures and videos of them sucking dick with you, and then you just jerk off to it, and then you go pee in the toilet crying. But you laughed out a year of torture of champness. So I think you're good, because you never cracked. But getting let out and forgiveness aren't the same. You're banished from life without proper expulsion or disavowal. And now Shimano's punted you to me, his brother flying other colors. He asked me to keep you as a civilian pet. For a guy known to talk straight with his fist, Shimano picked a weird roundabout way to deal with you. Who knows? I'd like to ask Shimano myself. Maybe we're overthinking it. Could be he just can't get enough of fucking that ass of yours. What a vile episode of Yakuza. Hot mug of piss and getting fucked in the ass. You know me, I just want to get a hot mug of piss in my mouth, fucked in the ass, and take a beautiful shower. Why are you desperate to get back in the Tojo clan? Taga Seijima, wasn't it, dude? You like Seijimas. Sworn brother for back in your Tojo days. You said you're doing this for his sake. I'm Majima. And he's Seijima. What the hell? Is this the guy who's in the Japanese dub of Jack Black? Is that who this is in the Minecraft movie? Hold up. I saw this something. Yeah, he's on a strict diet of guns. Strict diet of guns. No, it's Akiyama voice actor. The Akiyama voice actor. It's the Akiyama. But you know, what do I know? I'm just daddy's little daddy. To kill me. Kill you? Nothing. Forget it. I didn't say something about killing me. Anyway, Seijima's nothing. I gotta get back to Tojimo's. Okay, well, you're really gonna spend your life waiting for a brother? How many times you gotta wait for a brother to actually come back to you, man? Clawed your way back to the Tojo clan so you could carve out a seat for him to come home, though? Haha, real tearjerker of a tale. Hey, it's none of your business, bitch. I'll tell you one thing, different clans or not, my sworn brother Shimano has always done me right. But you would see me throw away my entire life so I could live, I could live for somebody else. You're a grown-ass man. You're a grown-ass man. You're a grown-ass man, dude. You're a grown-ass fucking man. Hey, you do you, man. I know you're not the type to hear anything I have to say. Take it to heart. So I'll do a favor. A cut to the chase. Can you kill a human being? A hit? No, a human being. Why do I do that? Well, I made $5 million at my club and buy back. Why should I kill someone? Oh, you're poaching Nozomi from Odyssey? So you already heard about that. Funny that about thing, though. It's one little code call from me in Odyssey to Odyssey. I could scuttle the whole deal, man. What the hell for? Just a healthy reminder I got your future in my hands, booty. First you made me earn for you. Now you want me to kill? I know. It sure sucks being a gangster. I didn't get into gangster work to kill. Who do I have to kill? His name? Makoto Nakamura. Have you heard of the name? Who? His friends call him Eminem. He runs a prostitution ring in Satbori that's been blowing up. Prostitution? Yeah, that's when you have sex with money. You put the money in your butt and then you have sex with it. Where it is, any girls who try to get out of the ring get so bad, they get beat up and they can't have kids because they're, what? Does he punch their uterus or they just become a little too ugly? I'm sorry. That was bad. That was bad. Don't joke about that. Don't joke about that shit. Find out part of the job. Nakamura's got his girls use telephone clubs to hook their johns. The gals at the mouth food chain are your best lead. Gotta use telephone club crowds and follow the trail back to Makimura-san. You got 2 days. Any longer than that, it'll be you with the target on his back. Are you clear? Yeah, I can't wait, man. The details are up to you. Once the job's done, call this number. Wait a minute, that's 911. Yes, tell them that you committed a murder and you need to go to jail. Okay. With murder? With murder? Who and how many doesn't matter. You kill one guy, you kill 18, a saint or a scumdog, murder's a murder. So you're basically about to jump off the cliff of guy who can do murders. You're not going to be normal. So just so you know, I'm asking you to do this thing that will ruin your mind. Just because I own you. If you can do it without killing. So what, you're threatening me and you're saying I have to do it. But also you're telling me not to do it. You say it's safer to live as your little bitch pig in your little pig pen. Little pig pen. I'm in your little pig pen. I'm eating up all the slop from the pig pen. That name. Gotta go kill him. Me? Gotta go kill a guy. This is a good thing. My big chance to get back in Yakuza life. I still got time. I don't rush it. I'll start tomorrow. I got to get to bed. I got to get ready to kill someone. I'm your little bitch pig. I could do that, or I could do a stupid side quest. Also, I'm a little drunk. Excuse me. I'm a kindly-looking mother. Oh, what's up? This lady. Right, she's the wife of a katamini. Have you seen a little boy here? He would have been alone. A little boy? You mean Yusuke could? How do you know that? Oh, well, actually, I got to be friends with your boy and played with him the other day. Have you seen Yusuke today? Came to him. He's not here like he's supposed to. Oh, I found his ball just lying there. That's worried. I'll keep an eye out. Yes, please. I'll be around here. Dude, did the dad kidnap his son? Don't do that. Just if there's any dads in chat, don't kidnap your son after the divorce. Just don't do that, man. In Japan, it's normal for adult strangers to be friends with children. You know that, right? And I came to her just smelling like booze in the middle of the night, telling her I hang out with her son. Yeah, I hang out with your son all the time. Sorry, I was just drinking sake with a leader of a Yakuza clan. Do people hiccup when they're drunk anymore? I mean, they don't see pink elephants, that's for sure. The day of people seeking pink, people used to see it like 100 years ago. People would say pink elephants. Now Gen Z, all they know is faded. Oh, you're faded. Like, what happened to us as a society? Sorry, I keep feeling a little vibration. You guys listening to the radio together? Come on, baby. Pager, sub-stories. Where's the... I forget the quest menu. Get out of here. I'm done. I'm just going to go to bed. I'm too drunk for this. I'm too drunk to find a missing child. God damn it. Oh, no, I can't get home. I'm lost. I'm lost and I cannot get home. Oh, no, it's the bikers again. My arch nemesis. Remember, guys, it's square, 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 triangle. And then you get a ball. You don't need to worry about anything in this game. You just square, square, triangle, square, 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 triangle. Anonymous in the chat, wiggling up. What's up, Nanas? What about... Well, there's Yusuke. I found him. He's got his creeper shirt from Minecraft. You used to watch Terrace House. I mean, we all know about Terrace House. There's a guy from Terrace House in Tender Touches Season 3. Hey there, Yusuke. Your mom's looking for you. Sister, what's wrong, mister? Scary people came after me. Yep, and they tried to take me away. So I ran away, and I became a creeper from Minecraft. They were big and scary. How big were they? They were about this big. Akatani's not a mousy brat. The guy whose face got changed. They're on to him. Your mom's waiting for you at the park. We got to get you back to her. Okay. Good thing we solved this issue once and for all. Oh, hello, Majima-san. Yusuke's gone too. Have you seen Yusuke's mom anywhere? No, I just got here myself. Is there a problem? Well, you see. Uh-oh. Hey, Akatani. Who are you people? Uh-oh. What? Yusuke. You're famous for being a lone wolf, no ties, no weaknesses. Wasn't easy trying to figure out how we could get to you, but our diligence paid off. After following you around, we noticed you taking a lot of interest in these two. Are you out of your mind? I don't know these people. Oh, then it won't bother you if we rough them up. Mom, stop. No family history. Normally, if I don't know somebody, you can beat them up and I won't care. That's how my mind works. Just go beat up people I don't know. Hey, I don't know them. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Who would have thought you could have this chink in your armor? I don't think we're allowed to say that. They've dropped a knife. If you don't want to see this bitch die, take that knife and kill yourself. See, if you keep doing what you're doing, our business keeps taking hits, and we need to do this. You go ahead and kill yourself. That it's got nothing to do with us. Man, Japan's crazy. Talking heads are F tier? You take that shit back. You take that shit back right now. Or you're going to need to have someone's going to have to talk to you. Give you a talking to your talking head, man. What the hell's your problem? F tier. Says somebody who probably couldn't even pick up a melodica and make it sound like anything other than a dying elephant. You get to save with both the bitch and the brat. Name it S tier, Brad. What are they going to say? The only thing they could say, and I would respect them, is if they said John Coltrane. This woman you say you're going to spare, who might that be? What? You got numbers, but you take a hostage anyway, and you're too chicken to get blood on your own hands. If that ain't the textbook definition of cowardly, then I'm rewriting the dictionary. Okay, I guess I gotta beat him up. Avenged Sevenfold, or Ghostland Observatory. You're up first, you meddling asshole. You're dead. Street thugs. God, yare, y'all. I gotta yare myself out of this. The original yare? Ow, they shot me. The original yare is Charlie. How do I dodge again? X. Is Charlie Brown. That's what I wanted. I wanted to say the original Yare was Charlie Brown, and then I lost myself. AJ says, Bjork is a band? Whoa! You did it to yourself, it's true. That's what really hurts. You threatened women on the street. Yeah, $1 million attack, baby. You need to heal? Well, I didn't have any healing items. And I'm about to go to bed. The lady and the kids are strangers to Akatani. That's a lie, you know it. Yeah, but I'm going to hit you with my baseball bat if you try and break my lies, okay? Don't you ever touch an innocent civilian again. If you do, I will hunt you down. He's kind of Barack Obama adjacent, and I will end you. Let me make it clear. If you try and hurt a civilian again, well, it's going to get some ribs and a good pussy, too. Whatever that sentence means. But ladies and gentlemen, it's time to break up this segment of the show for an even more impressive segments. It's time for the most impressive segments of the show. Man Digital Snatch has returned, which means I'm going to have to cut it to Max. And Max, you're going to have to tell us what's up. Hey, Rat Cousin. Hey, people on the show. Let's give ourselves a little music. No, we need something more. Need something more ominous than this. We need something more ominous than that song. A few days ago, Man Diggity Snag asked Rat, Max, Do you have a Roomba? Have you ever wanted a Roomba? I'm going to get you one as a housewarming gift. Exclamation mark donate. What's up? Oh, it's cringe to ask people to give you money. No, they waste their time at work listening to me, so I'm allowed to ask for money. I'm busking in your brain. Well, we've been busked. Let's get our candles. Once.
Shut the fuck up, snake!
No, this is... What the... Come on. Just ominous church music, royalty free. Come on, dude. Did you see Jude's video? Yeah, we're going to watch Jude's video after the first segment. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to the power of all the saints and the archangels, we will now open the gift. This is a Roomba we have known as named Dolby. And now it will start to see the light of day as we take it out of its amniotic sac, so be it said, in a way. It's the Columbo Roombo, essential robot Robo, Dolby. Born to man, born to woman, flesh of God, blood of child. Rambo. Rambo Cambo. It's what, like we always say. BPD, more like Big Pee-Pee Diaper. Okay. Okay, guys, wait. It's got little hand icons. First up, as we unbox every piece of this for a Yakuza video. The plug. Looks like we're looking at 20 volts. We're looking at 20 volts here. This is the Roomba's little diaper, I think. The Roomba's little diaper. The station. Ground control station to station. Raccolta plastica. We must plug it in there. Raccolate plastica. Is it in yet? No. Ow, wrong side. It's in. Soon it will go in the walls. Rat Cousin lives in your walls. Diaper Part 2. This one I don't know what it does. The other one I obviously did. Don't forget, little green man. That's right. Little green man. Well-protected paper. Dolby was born with a Roomba combo. On this day today, yes, Roy Kabalasti Lucadi. Dolby was born of the flesh of a god, in the womb of a woman, in the house of a man, and the love would be spread. Yes, happy Penis Thursday. Undress it. The sack removed. Dolby emerges. Now, do we just turn it on? It's time to read the instructions. Okay. I need to find them in Spanish. D'accord, voilà. Si vous avez des questions ou des commentaires à propos de dispositifs d'élimination de saleté, veuillez communiquer avec iRobot avant de communiquer avec un détaillant. Visitez d'abord le site global.irobot.com pour obtenir des conseils et accéder aux questions fréquentes ainsi qu'à des informations sur les accessoires. Vous trouverez également ces informations dans l'application iRobot Home. Si vous avez encore besoin d'aide, appelez l'équipe de service d'assistance à la clientèle aux États-Unis au 877-855-8593. Well, at least we know it's not allowed to hurt me. Okay. Step 1. Position the charging dock. Okay, we're gonna switch microphones. Let me know if you guys can hear me, because I'm gonna switch microphones briefly. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Nope. You cannot hear me. Hello? There we go. Can you hear me? Okay. I've switched on the mic from music. Okay. You sound room. This is what it sounds like without all my filters and my compressors. With the Windows machine just hitting something with plastic. Position the charging dock. So you need to know, guys, when we're doing the charging dock, it needs 1.5 feet on both sides and 4 feet from stairs. And it needs 4 feet in front. Wait, why are we saying, come the fuck on? Did I do something wrong again? Are we scared of the candles? Imagine leaving a room unattended with candles, AJ says. Like hundreds of years of human history haven't had just places lit by candles. I live in a stone house, so I throw glass. Please blow out the candles. No! Oh. Okay, guys, only if I can scream them. Ah! Huh! Sealed with wax, truth becomes. Sealed with wax, truth becomes. Sealed with wax, truth becomes. Plug in charging dock. Done. Wake up robot. Place your robot on the charging dock by lining up the metal charging contacts. After a few minutes, a sound will let you know it's awake. If you drink wax, you never get a stomachache. One moment. I'm not letting you freaks get feet for free. No freaks get feet for free. Socks on. Did you hear that? It made a noise. Did you hear that? It made a noise. You heard me fart? I wish I farted. And the rest I have to do on the I have to do on the phone, apparently. Let's see if we can do it on the App Store on the Macintosh. The fuck? Where's the App Store? Okay, we're checking. We're checking if you can do it on the... No. We have to do it on phone. Which means we're switching cameras and we're switching microphones. Come on. Make it make sense. Show my camera. Show my camera. There we go. Disconnect. I got a text from 269. It just says hello. Let's go. We've moved in with Grandma and we'll trade off with Cheryl and Art over the next 6 weeks. While Grandma rebuilds her strength and can walk, drive, volunteer, and play bridge and bocce ball. A quick trip up to say hey and collect furniture would be cool if you can manage it. Time to scan a QR code. Download the iRobot Home Classic app. The room reverb disappears. Double click to confirm. I can taste the future of the Dolby robot living now. Open me. I found a secret dimension in my mirror. I found a secret love that only I can share. Deep within the mountains of mayhem and love. Okay, sure, you can give me notifications. Select location, United States. Sure, I accept. Come home to clean. Come home to clean. Come home to clean. Come home to clean. Honestly, hey, what? Is this did you buy me an off-brand one? First name, Max. Last name, Simone. Email address. Why don't you fucking guess, dum-dum? Very obvious. But if I do that, I'm also doxing like half of all the celebrities out there. Password doesn't meet our complications. Password doesn't meet my complicated setup. I have at least 2 of the following. What are you doing? What are you doing? How is that not... Could you just generate me one, bitch? Create new password. Okay. There. Create me, you dumb fuck. Oh, I gotta answer a verification code, dude. So cool. But I'm not gonna say it, because then you guys will hack me. Oh, it just fell off my face, didn't it? I don't want to be hacked. Not by you freaks. Wow. Connect to your robot to the Wi-Fi the easy way. Allow while using app, I guess. Allow, find Runge radar. Nice. Scan the QR code. Let's do it again. Scan the QR code. Access the camera. Okay. Your charging station. On a hard level surface. The clear pass against a wall. He's docked and charging. My robot is ready. Yes, continue. Guys. Dolby.
Someone has gifted you God himself.
Dolby's about to have a party. Factory reset the robot. Press and hold all 3 buttons for 10 seconds. Come on, little Dolby. He's ready for setup! It's connecting! Plus the... Okay. Hide. It's hiding under cardboard now. It was hiding under cardboard. This is my steel-type Pokemon. Wow. Name your product? Dolby. And maybe, you know, we spell it like that. Wow. Beautiful. Welcome to the world, Dolby. He's ready to clean. Wow. I'll update it later. And you hit home, it goes back to its house. Nice. Oh, and if you vacuum and mop, you attach the pad plate. Oh. Okay. I see. Nice. Guys, I think it's time to just look at him. Dolby. Welcome to the world, Dolby. I love my little boy. I know there's lots of stuff everywhere. Okay, now you're on the... Don't unplug my cables. Dolby. Dolby, don't unplug my... Dolby. Dolby. Dolby! Stop! Stop eating the cables! Dolby! Dolby, you gotta get out of the cords, Dolby! Yeah, we might have to put this thing down. I think it's gotten the taste of cables. Look at him go. Dolby, my sweetest child. Ow! Why would you, Dolby? What are you doing? It's trying to kiss me. Oh, he's trying to give me kisses. He's trying to give me kisses. Dolby, you better not be unplugging anything. Guys, if we suddenly lose the internet, I apologize. It's because of Dolby. Hey, you missed that. You missed that spot. You missed. There's a spot. There's a spot you missed, Dolby. Wow. This must have been what it was like when humans discovered fire.